Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in this video today I'll be showing you guys a little preview of our next project that we'll be building. So this project is a geometric number sequence explicit formula generator. So basically this formula takes in the first term, which we'll just type in a number, common ratio, and then the number of terms that we want to have in the sequence. So let's say I put my first term as being 2, and then the common ratio is 2 as well, and then we want to generate, let's say, 6 terms. So now it's going to generate this sequence for us. The first term is 2, which is what we inputted here, and then the common ratio is 2, so to get from 2 to 4 you would have to multiply it by 2, and then from 4 to 8 multiply by 2 again, and so on until you get to the 6th term, which is 2 to the 6th, which would be 64. And that's basically how it works. You can do this for any numbers that you like, as long as it's not so large that it just crashes your browser, which wouldn't be good. So you wouldn't want to do something like 2 for your first one, and then 2 for your second, and then 1,000,000 for your last one. That could crash your computer, which I'm not going to do right now, especially on video. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for the tutorial coming out in a few days. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.